For this activity, you get to draw a prism. The first prism I'm going to draw is going to be a rectangular prism. So I'm going to click on this little circle and rectangle image, and that will let me insert whatever shape I want. And right now I want a rectangle. So I'm going to draw one rectangle, and then I want one that's congruent to that. So I'm going to copy that. You can right click it or go up to Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste. So now I have two identical rectangles. These are going to be the bases of my prism. So move the second one wherever you want it to go, and these are your bases. I want my bases to be blue, but you could change them to whatever color you want them to be using this little picture icon here. Okay, the next step is to draw the edges. So I'm going to connect corresponding vertices of these shapes by drawing lines. So I just am using my line tool up here to connect the vertices of my prism. And if you want to get really fancy, you could even make some of those into dotted lines. So maybe this one down here is going to be a dotted line. You can decide whatever you want to do that you think makes your prism look good. You can do that, okay? All right, so there's my prism. What if I wanted to do a triangular prism? I would do the same thing. I would go to Shapes, and I would choose a triangle. Doesn't really matter which one you choose. I'm going to choose this one. Let me make it green this time. Why not? And again, I need two of these, so I'm going to choose Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, move it wherever you want, and then you're going to use your lines to connect the corresponding vertices. Now, we're doing this in Google Drawings, but of course, you could draw this by hand this way too, couldn't you? Now, you can change your prisms up a little bit if you want to. Like, let's say I want to make this one smaller. I'll just select this entire thing, and then I can squish it, or I can stretch it however I want to. So you can customize your prisms now that you've made them in any way you want to. Try it out and have some fun.